Welcome to the virtual tour of apartment number 2 at 789 Park Street in Brunswick. The apartment complex is located in a service road and directly opposite a parkland and football oval. As we go down the passageway, we have a security entrance door, and the apartment is located on the first level. Each level consists of 3 apartments. And as we walk into apartment number 2, we have a toilet off to the right. And just next to that, we have the bathroom and combined laundry. There is a basin, a shower, and the laundry trough and cupboards, and plenty of room for washing machine and dryer. As we continue down the passageway, directly in front of the entry door, we have our bedroom. The bedroom has floor-to-ceiling wardrobes, lots of cupboard space, fully carpeted, with a view to the rear of the complex. As we exit the bedroom, we now enter the living area. There is NBN already connected. There is a split system unit. Glass sliding doors out to the balcony. And as we exit the living room to go out to the balcony, we get the view of the beautiful parkland. As we move past the living area, we now enter the kitchen. The kitchen has been renovated, nice and modern, lots of bench and cupboard space. Small area for a small dining table and a couple of chairs. All the facilities are electric. Plenty of room for a fridge in this area here. New electric stove and oven. Thank you for watching the virtual tour for Unit 6 at 789 Park Street in Brunswick. Please note that there is no allocated car parking space for the apartment, but there is plenty of off-street parking that do not require permits.